Basic English phrases for beginners. Common household phrases.
Close the door, please.
Can you close the door?
Yes, I'll close it now. Turn off the lights.
Should I turn off the lights?
Yes, it's too bright. Set the table.
Who will set the table?
I will do it. Wash the dishes.
Did you wash the dishes?
Not yet. I'll do it after dinner. Make the bed.
Have you made your bed?
Yes, I made it this morning. Sweep the floor.
Can you sweep the floor?
Sure, I'll do it now. Take out the trash.
Who took out the trash?
Dad took it out. Do the laundry.
Is the laundry done?
Yes, the clothes are clean. Open the window.
Why did you open the window?
It was hot inside. Water the plants.
Did you water the plants?
Yes, I watered them this morning. Clean your room.
When will you clean your room?
I'll clean it this afternoon. Don't leave the tap running.
Why should I turn off the tap?
To save water. Put your shoes away.
Where should I put my shoes?
In the shoe rack. Fold the clothes.
Who folded the clothes?
Mom did. Lock the door.
Did you lock the door?
Yes, it's locked. Vacuum the carpet.
When should I vacuum the carpet?
Do it every Saturday. Put the groceries away.
Where should I put the groceries?
In the kitchen cabinets. In the kitchen cabinets.
Should I heat the food now?
Yes, dinner is almost ready. Switch off the fan.
Is the fan still on?
No, I switched it off. Feed the pet.
Did you feed the dog?
Yes, I gave him food. Wipe the table.
Can you wipe the table after dinner?
Sure, I'll do it. Boil some water.
Why are you boiling water?
For tea. Clean the bathroom.
Who cleaned the bathroom?
My brother cleaned it. Don't slam the door.
Why shouldn't I slam the door?
It makes a loud noise. Pick up your toys.
Do I need to pick up all the toys?
Yes, put them in the box. Unpack the bags.
Who will unpack the bags?
I'll do it. Clean the mirror.
Why is the mirror dirty?
It has fingerprints on it.